Hello friends, so today we'll see third part of Ind As41 accounting for agriculture produce. So here we will see what is accounting which we are doing for agriculture produce. Like for example, that is milk from cows, wool from sheep, meat from goat, etc. As per the provision of Ind As41, the following steps should be applied for accounting for agriculture produce obtained from animals. First, initial recognition at the point of harvesting. Okay, so at the point of harvesting, it shall be recorded at the fair value less cost to sell. That is okay. So agriculture produce accountable to income statement, being income recognized from agriculture produce at the point of harvest. So valuation of unsold inventory at the time of out of agriculture produce. If any inventory out of agriculture produce remains unsold at the balance sheet date, its valuation will be made as per the index 2, that is cost or NRV, whichever is lower. The value which is initially recorded at the point of harvest will be considered as cost at balance sheet date. Okay. So while doing the initial recognition, what the value we have recognized, it is recognized as cost, and in the balance sheet date we have to see the NRV, net realizable value, that is the market value less cost of sales. So whichever is lower, you have to value at that value. Then accounting for plants. Okay, plants includes crops, then wood. Plant crops means wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane, etc. Wood means stick crop, uh, pine wood, etc. Okay, we will follow same rules as discussed in the step 4 in unit 1. Okay, like how we for the crops also it is similar to the animal, how you are doing the valuation. Similarly you have to do the valuation for crops, but for wood and teak, these are the below steps how you have to do the valuation. Steps for the accounting for wood plants. First step is initial recognition. At balance sheet, first balance sheet after cultivation. Calculate the present value of the net fair value of a mature tree at the point of harvest and consider it as an income. Okay. So we have to calculate the present value of fair value of mature tree. That is wood tree account debit to income statement. The initial recognition is made. Then second step, at each balance sheet date after initial recognition, calculate the present value of mature tree at the point of harvest is balance sheet date and calculate the value of balance sheet at the merit at each year as follows. Present value of net fair value of mature trees at the current balance sheet date. Present value of net fair value which was recorded last year. Okay, it is the balance sheet date and it is the last year. The difference, it will be change in the value, and that value we have to transfer to P&L account. So the changes in value will be transferred to P&L, that is the entry will be wood tree account debit to fair value changes. If it is increased, if it is decreased, the fair value changes account debit to it will transfer to income statement or P&L. Fair value changes account debit to income statement. Okay. So in this way we have to do the valuation. So here we have an example. So we are doing the the fair value, for example, one wood tree initial value was this value 55335, and now the value is 5461.50. The difference is 126. So as per the provisions of Ind AS 41, changes in fair value of mature tree will be transferred to P&L. So it will be transferring 126 to income statement. In given question, transportation cost is not mentioned, due to which we cannot calculate the net fair value. So we have to calculate present value of GF, gross finished product. Accounting for expenses. So as per the provisions of Ind AS 41, all expenses which are incurred for growth and maintenance of biological assets should be charged to P&L. These expenses may be in form of seeds, pesticides, fertilizer, leverage, etc. Okay. Thank you.